Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
Breaking news, federal government has given single people deadline till December this year to find a partner or they will be sent out of the country.
There is no passion, there is no vision, there is no aggression, there is no fucking mindset in this football club. Yeah.
Wait, I'm a railway. Okay, say this chopping a piece. And I guess I'll vote. Look, I'm said you all look. What's in a crack or parasa crack? Muri mampeto. Unyagalabo febenya. Yes.
Don't have a napkin.
I got you. That is hard. That is so hard.
Shot, Rick. Oh, yeah. Appreciate you. Man.
Button it up, button it up.
Manzi squeeze sekuze kwalunga nawo nomuno squeeze hayi we manzi usuze waceketha usuze wazi hayi sekuze kwalunga bo usubekezelile hawu wimanzi evuthi hawu usuzwe waphumelela hey wimanzi evuthiwe nje impela hayi wimanzi squeeze.
Xander, you want to take a picture with me? Not really.
It was an accident. Just give him a kiss and tell him you're sorry, John.
Huh?
Oh?
Smell my feet?
It's my baby.
It's my mama, baby. Don't touch her.
What you mean?
Don't touch her.
Come get your medicine, boo. Good. Swallow.
Okay.
No, we're not done, but we still got some more. Can I have some? That was rude.
No quiero foto. Daddy's baby brother just running on.
I'm so hungry, I could eat Miss Rachel.
Oh, no.
Are you smelling the candle?
Yeah.
What
It
does it
smells like fucking shit. Say cheese. Say cheese.
It's a video.
But with this one, you must thank your mother.
Papa, I can't say that.
But I'm just saying because
Because you need to thank us both.
Yes, my man.
Yes, I know. I had to convince your father.
Yo.
You know, for many months.
Now it's not because I was convinced, it's because your mom said that we never had the metric dance.
Yeah, we didn't.
There was no metric dance I could go school.
Yes, my man.
So we felt, Nana, or you deserve it. iPhone.
You Nana.
17. Hey, Papa, come
Nana. You're calling this old man Nana.
I look, Papa, Mara, can do it about my booby.
Yeah, but son, please take care of this phone.
Yes, my friend.
You've seen my phone. I had it for maybe a month now.
Yes,
it's still clean, no scratches.
You got him at 17.
It's a 17 Pro Max, not 17. 17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max. I could have maybe 110.
Yes, ever since it was released.
No, Kosi, please.
Yes,
take
please
care of
take
this
care.
My mother can.
When I go, who can I say?
My friend with all my heart. Can like.
From tomorrow, if there was my screen protect. Hey, it's kind of when I can box.
Okay.
I box like.
Yes. Unboxing for the first time.
Okay,
I'm thanking my mother.
speech.
What about me? Thank you, my mother.
My father.
Okay, thank you, my mother, for the phone. Because my phone has been giving me problems.
And your father is
my father. Thank you very much for agreeing. Yes, let's go.
You deserve it, man.
You deserve it, son. This is yours.
Hey, 17. My father already put a pouch.
Yes.
Puna momo.
Because you want to fake it until you make it, son.
My father puna momo.
But it looks like it. Oh, it's my scared
Noskampaphela wena noskampaphela say noskanyela
o tlhape pila o be smart o yebe ya leng o fitlho te thakele 6 ya mo lo te tsubile pila le habli le fitlhe le grootman le re tla go rekela di estropes o dumela a o pompele bosufo botla o biletse mo eta ra re tsamayang ke re o khatlhile o tsamaile yena hele fitlha go bya leng le fitlha hae o mona e somolla go dinogeng ana khonota le rombo mane a o tle o subo botlo tsere ke di krempo chabelo yo rota ho ya tsela toro e pumula e babe e ruruhile ntse le di clap maleme a tswetse kwa ntle a baba o rutsa strap o nna mo di mampetonyana e phinyere ga re ke scooter ya ai fotla papa nke mushing ka re ke tire le na le leng ai mara a re jemba
Jadi dizeze. Jadi dizeze. Jadi dizeze. Erin dizeze. Ari jamonate mo re jamonate.
mama yangu game over mwenye uwanja wake kaingia sasa.
Guys, le krile chance ko pela le jole bona nna ke happy byang. Mona mama sa robetse pila byang. Ha jo like
show me
wait no
na thata ke morata
100
ke ithatela sefiso no thata ona le tšhelete ke rata tšhelete hae
eba
ana ha thata re tswa re jamae so ke tlere bang mara ke ithatela sefiso nna
ora tas fiso eba hey so
ke
mas fiso
kwa na sefiso
o thoma neng ke sefiso
sefiso ngane
sefiso ngane ke manye
sefiso man sefiso
ke sefiso ngane
We tough guy or we tough girl?
I'm a tough girl. What can we do? Only money that I want. You never give me. Tell me now. Tell me now what I'm doing. Oh, what I'm doing? What I'm saying? Tell me now.
We all know Delilah from the Bible, and today is her birthday. Let's say happy birthday, Dela. I love you. Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday, Dela. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Dela. I love you. Happy birthday, Dela. I love you. I like you, Dafa. Dandai. You. Happy birthday, Dela. Mutotayatu, good morning.
Oh my God. Oh.
Happy birthday, Dela.
so much.
I'm like, what for Allah? Happy birthday, Della. I love you. Birthday, Yala. Thank you.
No, for a second.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continuing.
Happy birthday, Della. I love you.
Happy birthday, Della. I love you.
Happy birthday, my sister Della. I love you so much.
Della, Alesi, Alesi.
Ah.
Yachaza Malu.
Chule.
Yachaza.
Chule. How is it, Chule? Chule. How is it, Chule? Chule, that's what I'm going to do. Remember? How do you go now? Yeah.
Yachaza Malu.
Chule. Hey, yes,
What make you like me?
No, boys, we did it, boy. 10 kg. 10 kg. 10 kg on our way.
I don't take kg, but
10 kilometers. Come to 10 kg.
Ten kilometers. Another 10.
Hello. Hey, baby. Hey. Get hold 1,000. Hakudri. Ke tlo feta ho heletsa ke bona ka mosadi ha o teng ka koloing ka mona. Ke tlo feta ho heletsa. Ke bona ka ke palame le motho wa hao fela ke. Eh. Ke kopa o letsa qeta ho theoha se ke theoha. Ke bona ka motho wa hao teng ka koloing e ke palameng.
Akoko second yakile ngegama lika Jesu.
I'm still offended by the fact that my police are clearly frugu mogame.
I'm still offended by the fact that my police are clearly frugu mogame.
Bangoga kazali.
Bangoga kazali.
Batapa di yellow haze.
Batapa yellow haze.
Suspecting gore ke rekisa di drugs.
Suspecting gore ke rekisa di drugs.
And whoever Olympiasa go gama police.
And whoever Obiesa go gama police.
You must just pray ke sa go kreya cause ka go fanywa go mago yo masa pus.
You must just pray ke ska go kreya ka go nanywa go mago yo masa.
Hello, ma. Hello, boy.
How are you, ma?
Good evening.
Let's call it.
Okay, wait. We'll talk later. I need you to clean here to move these things at the back. And then after that, when you come back, you're gonna wash dishes.
Ma?
And then after, there's linen that I hanged outside. Please bring it back.
But where's Carly? Why isn't he doing anything?
No, he's at soccer right now.
Huh?
So
I must clean.
Yes.
Or bore ko eno ne Sunday pula ena. O fodile moshimana hano araba dikolo. O kwata wa para dipampedi tsa madi o hemela tsele otle dira dimfimfi. O tsenetse le o fihla kwa lo re bula gate o kry kids ba letsa seulu ka mo hare utlwa diversity to detail go gate. O jump gate o raile batho tsena. Ka mola o rogane malsa dalval. Moshimana o lebela botse ngwene ra bona o bulitse so ke service. A se kono khawana le nna. O kwate tato botse ngwene lo re ya ibila nna rena le 8 ra phaka ka nitlile lena ka 5 liter. Ba o lebelle ba o tsheba le thube se tlela. Ha go botsa ke re nna ya le nkutlwe khawana ni bashimane ha ba le rate.
Esikoleni banifundisana ngoba le 5 rand mawehlanganisa na le 6 rand ke mawehlanganisa 5 bob neshele nini?
Shelen bob.
Ishelen bob?
Yeah.
It's 6 bob. Akuna shelen bob. How shelen bob yan?
Hello. Today is very busy, so it's the order is a go is very slowly. Sorry, today is very busy.
So the order very slowly, and the road is raining, so it's I say it's slowly going. Yeah, sorry, it's going now.
If you have a problem, if you have issues, word of the line.
God have mercy upon us.
Do you still love me?